Hey there, YouTube. Is it time for you to change the blade on your 12-inch sliding double bevel compound motor saw? Did you throw away that instruction manual? Well, of course you did. That's why you clicked on this video. Luckily enough for you, this should only take a few minutes. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna wanna have on hand is a new blade. We happen to have Dewalt replacement blades. This was a 2-pack. I gotta tell you, Dewalt makes some awesome saw blades. Make sure there's no power to the saw. So unplug this baby before you start. If your saw is in the stored position, you're gonna wanna push down here on the saw and then pull out this pin to lift up the blade. Good thing about Dewalt is they pretty much provide all the tools you're gonna need to do the replacement. Boom, right here on the saw itself, your tool is stored to change your blade. If, for some reason, you lost this tool, you're gonna need a screwdriver and you're gonna need a socket or a large nut driver. But let's just show you how easy it is to do this, okay? First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your guard. You're gonna rotate your guard up. You're gonna take your tool, you're gonna insert it into the screw here. You're gonna twist counterclockwise. Okay, you're gonna loosen it up. You don't need to remove the screw. You just wanna loosen it up enough. The screw head, you wanna be able to pass this part of the guard assembly. Okay, so we're gonna continue to back it out. The screw is out just enough to allow this assembly to push up. Okay? This is the blade stop. It's going to keep the blade from rotating. You push in that blade stop, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to rotate the blade just enough until it locks into position. Once it's locked into position, you're going to turn in a clockwise manner. Once that nut's out, you can let go of the plunger here. You'll take off your washer. You'll put that aside. You're gonna pop off your blade. If this blade has some service life left to it, make sure you store it in a safe manner. If not, just toss it. But make sure you toss it in a safe manner. You don't want anybody getting hurt. You know, you won't want the garbage man reaching in to grab your trash bags and get himself cut. Hashtag just saying. Next thing you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna open up your clamshell packaging. This part's probably the toughest of the whole process. Okay. Snap that open. You're gonna wanna determine what you'll be cutting. Different saw blades are made for different duties, okay? For instance, Dewalt provides this nice little chart here. For ripping, it says you're gonna wanna use a 32-tooth saw blade. For ripping and cross-cutting, you're gonna wanna use a 40-tooth saw blade. For cross-cutting, you're gonna want a 60-tooth saw blade. And for trim and miter work, you're gonna wanna go with that 80-tooth saw blade. So keep that in mind when you're picking up your blades. So we're gonna be doing some ripping and a minimum amount of cross-cutting. So we're gonna go with the 32-tooth 12-inch saw blade. We're gonna slide it in here. We're gonna seat it on our arbor. Okay, so you're gonna wanna seat the blade on that arbor. Once it's there, you're gonna take your washer, you'll slide that in place. You're gonna put your reverse thread nut in place. Lefty tighty, righty loosey for this one. All right, then we're gonna push our plunger in again. Okay, you can hear it snap, so you know the blade is locked. Okay, and then we're gonna snug this up. All right, so now we're ready to pull our guard assembly back down into place. Okay, we're gonna pull it down. You can see that there. Then we're gonna hold our shroud up, and then we're gonna righty-tighty our bolt back down, okay? Just snug. And that's it. You're ready to go to work. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do us a favor, smash that like button. If you know someone that's stuck on a job site and they phoned a friend and you're that friend, and they ask you, how do I change the blade on my 12-inch Dewalt double bevel sliding compound motor saw? Share this video with them. But as always, thanks a lot and have a great day. Then you want to put your tool back in place for safekeeping. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot and have a great day, guys.